here.
See if you wouldn't have feeling this. You wouldn't have to do that shit. Spitting on your tail. Oh, that popped. Did you feel that?
Yeah.
Did you feel it?
Oh yeah, felt it and heard it.
Oh man, that's awesome. What was that?
Sacrum
Ow.
and a little bit of the hip. That's why it was so loud. We got both of those guys at the same time.
Junior.
Well, let's go the other side. You don't like the windows, do you?
He's okay. He's not hurting you. You're my boy. You're a good boy. My chicken shit. You're a good boy.
Oh, you can stay there. Like that. And you can stay just like that.
It's okay. It's okay. Oh. Hey. You bothering you?
No, he's okay.
Where are you, toenail? Oh my god, that was awesome.